Hello everyone, you're welcome to this channel. In this video, we have this nice equation over here and want to find all the possible values of x that can satisfy the equation. Now in this video, I'm going to show you two ways of solving this question. Now let's start with our first method. So let me write method 1. Now let's start. So with this one, we are going to split the right hand side using the law of indices. For instance, when we have a exponent b times a exponent c, this will be equal to a exponent b plus c. So comparing the right hand side with what I've just written over here, you can see that we can convert this, which is in this form, to this form. So let's do that. We are going to have 3 exponent x is equal to 5 exponent x times 5 exponent 3. So since the base are the same, we can convert it back to this one so that we get the original equation. So now let's continue. So over here, we are going to divide both sides by 5 exponent x. 5 exponent x. Now we are going to have 3 exponent x all over 5 exponent x. So this will be equal to, so 5 exponent x will take care of 5 exponent x. We are going to be left with 5 exponent 3 here. And then we have same exponent over here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to factorize the exponent out. So we are going to have 3 over 5 all exponent x. So this will be equal to 5 exponent 3 will give us 125. From here, we want to make s the subject. And to be able to do that, we need to take logarithm of both sides. So now let's take log of both sides. So we are going to have log of 3 over 5 all exponent x is equal to the log of 125. So over here, we are going to choose a log to the base of 3 over 5, knowing that log of a base a is equal to 1. So we are going to have log to the base of 3 over 5 and then log to the base of 3 over 5. From here, we have exponent over here, and according to the laws of logarithm, we can bring the x or the exponent in front over here. So let's do that. We are going to have x times the log of 3 over 5 to the base of 3 over 5 is equal to log of 125 to the base of 3 over 5. So over here, log of 3 over 5 to the base of 3 over 5 will give us 1 from this property. So we are going to have x to be equal to the log of 125 to the base of 3 over 5. Now, the whole of this term can also be written as x is equal to log of 125 base 10 all over log of 3 over 5. And then we can also simplify this one further. So x will be equal to log of, so 125 can be written as 5 exponent 3 all over. And then here you can use the laws of logarithm to split this one. You know, when we have division like this, we can express it as the log of 3 minus log of 5. So over here, we have exponents here. So we can use the property that we used over here to bring 3 in front. So we are going to have x to be equal to 3 times the log of 5 all over log 3 minus log 5. So this will be our final answer. You can input this into a calculator and then that will give you the final results. So let's maintain this level. Now we have this to be our final answer. So let's keep this one somewhere. Now let me clean what is over here. So let's move on to method number 2. So our method 2. So with the method 2, what we are going to do is that we are going to apply logarithm of both sides. Straightforward. So let's do that. So log of 3 exponent x is equal to log of 5 exponent x plus 3. Now we can use the laws of indices to bring the exponents before the log. So we are going to have x times log of 3 is equal to x plus 3 times log of 5. So over here we are going to have x log 3 is equal to, then we can expand this bracket. So doing that, we're going to have x times log of 5 plus 3 times log 5. Now we have x over here, x over here. So let's group all those terms involving x at one side, and then those without x at one side. So doing that, we are going to have x log 3 minus x log 5 is equal to 3 log 5. Now we have x in common here, so we can bring out the x. So x out, be left with log of 3 minus log of 5. So this will be equal to 3 log 5. Now we want x, so let's divide both sides by this expression. So x will be equal to 3 log 5 all over log of 3 minus log of 5. So this will be our answer for the method 2. Now let's compare it with the first answer. So this is the first answer. So when you compare, you can see that we are having the same thing. So all the two methods, they are good, and then they are also applicable. So anyone that you choose will work for you. Thank you for watching.